Breaking news. Wall Street's wild ride, now featuring tariff tantrums. Good morning, folks. If you love roller coasters but hate amusement parks, the stock market has you covered. Early Friday, stock futures are playing nice, trying their best to pretend they're not traumatized by this week's economic drama. The Dow is crawling up by 63 points. A whole 0.15%. Wow, steady there, tiger. The S&P 500 is inching up 0.28%, and the Nasdaq is flexing its tech muscles with a 0.42% gain. But let's talk about Thursday. Oh boy, if you missed it, imagine dropping your ice cream cone and your wallet into a sewer at the same time. The Dow took a 400-point nosedive, and the Nasdaq entered what experts call correction territory, which is just a fancy way of saying, ouch, that hurt. All because investors are still playing a game of guess the tariff policy with President Trump, who keeps shifting the rules faster than a toddler playing Monopoly. Speaking of tariffs, the president made a dramatic concession. Canada and Mexico get a temporary pass. Hooray, but only until April 2nd, because apparently, that's when things magically get less complicated. Investors, however, weren't buying it. Literally. Instead of celebrating, they hit the panic button so hard, the market had its worst week since September 2024. The S&P 500 is down 3.6%, the Dow lost 2.9%, and the Nasdaq is having the biggest meltdown of them all, plunging 4.1%. Someone get tech stocks a therapist. And now, all eyes are on February's non-farm payrolls report. Economists predict 170,000 new jobs because, apparently, optimism is still a thing. The unemployment rate, expected to remain at a rock-solid 4%, because, unlike the stock market, some numbers actually like staying in one place. So, traders, buckle up, the market is still on this chaotic road trip,